My name is George Megan. I'm from England. Matthias is a student of international relations. We will go into international relations. Now, this thing that I have here is, I believe, a way we can achieve this by redefining what a basic education is. All these students can fairly simply, and for no money, essentially no money, can achieve a good basic education if we use the democracy analysis of curriculum. So this is what we are looking at, and these students under this adjustment can do it if the authorities of Haiti agree for a definition of basic education, which was, I remind, given by the US Department of Justice as a definition worthy and is probably the most important innovation in education in 124 years. In the United States of America, they are looking at 100 million cases of diabetes in a few years' time. In my town in England, some children are suffering post-traumatic stress syndrome. Usually affecting soldiers. In China, the students are so tired, everybody is falling asleep. So the teacher puts the student on oxygen. They put the student on oxygen. So they can learn information that has absolutely no value. Okay, in Japan, 800,000. 800,000 boys, not girls, are locked in their room. They've locked themselves in their room. And some poor children in Japan go to the top of the tallest buildings. They remove their identification. These students have been killed by the school system. And I need you to show the way.
Et nous besoin nous pour nous capables de montrer le chemin.
Where's the book? We got that book. We're going to get the book. Right, here it is. And this is the not the education people, but the US Department of Justice said this is the number one answer to this problem. Here we are with the Ocean Group. I've been asked to speak. Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. Former President and Founder. We're doing basic education. What is basic education? Which is not on the internet, because I checked. And the very fine group of young leaders here came up with prospects, morals, the family is important, civics, a positive attitude, contribute to society, sex, the future, these issues. What does Haiti want from everybody in this country, everybody in the world? They want you to understand your culture and your great and unique history, the environment, computer, communication in any language, can be in an indigenous language, health, very important. We mentioned in America 1 in 3 are expected to get diabetes. Health, and we also have the magical thing, which is social. We had a student the other day who told a joke.
What is the direction of a bird when it flies? When the bird flies, what the direction it takes?
North.
Leads you know. We're gonna the direction of here's a muff, not north.
Wonderful. Social. Cooking is health, but it's also social. You go with your boyfriends to dinner.
Donc il dit l'un des points, c'est le social. Quand on prend le social, c'est vaste. Par exemple, la cuisine, d'accord, ça fait partie même de la médecine, puisque la nutrition, donc ça a ses règles, ses principes. Donc,
so this is all. Everything else is called specialist information. You don't need specialist information for basic. Basic means non-specialist.
Voilà.
This is a historic sentence. So, social is important. But we're missing something very important here.
On a manqué quelque chose très important qu'on n'a pas pu signaler ici.
Jean-Pierre? It is correct, Jean-Pierre. Jean-Pierre, stand up. Now, Jean-Pierre met Pope Francis. What a fantastic thing is that? He met Pope, but it doesn't fit into here. But it's very, very important. You met the Pope in Italy?
Yes.
Everything that he did is education. Going to Italy, seeing the Colosseum, going to Rome, all this is education. The second aspect
Le deuxième
is
aspect,
your personal achievement. So we have here
c'est vos
achievement,
enfants personnels.
talent, special knowledge, experience, and that includes
Donc les talents,
with
les
Jean
connaissances
Louis,
spéciales,
Portuguese, Italian, French, Creole, and English. But has anybody here done any jogging or running, or can anybody here swim?
est-ce qu'il y a un monde là qui connaît le fait petit courir pour réchauffer quoi? Est-ce qu'il y a un
Swimming?
monde qui connaît
Anybody
nager?
swimming? No?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Okay.
So we put on here swimming.
Ok. Donc on a mettez là tout. La natation.
Can
ça,
you
ça-
dive?
Ça fait pas. Est-ce que tu plonges? Ok.
Well, you would be tested by some professor type. He'd say, well, can you dive?
Voilà.
How
On va
long
faire
can
un
you be
test pour
underwater?
savoir c'est à quel niveau que tu peux
Yeah.
plonger.
This is your life. You can do that.
c'est-
Can
c'est
anybody drive a car here? I cannot. You can drive a
Donc si
car.
quelqu'un peut conduire une voiture, lui il ne peut pas. Mais
Do you
conduire
have
une
a special
voiture.
license, sir? Special license?
Simple one.
Truck license?
No.
No. No, some people do.
Yeah.
I was telling Marcel, near my town, one man, 1962, was the world motor racing champion and the world motorcycle champion same year, 1962.
Voilà.
Wow.
Donc
Such as our friend who's studying to be a doctor. In this, you can begin study. When did you wish to become a doctor? When was the idea in here? What
quand est-ce que
age?
quand est-ce que tu as eu l'idée de devenir médecin?
When I was child.
Yeah, when you,
C'est
about how old when you were a child?
Depuis que j'étais enfant. C'était à quel âge là?
Environ 13-14 ans.
About 13 and 14.
13 or 14. Okay. At the age of 13, you begin medical course. At the age of 13 in here, you're doing this, but you're also doing specialist to you from the age of 13. Yeah. Why
Depuis
not?
lors.
Why not?
Et
If
pourquoi pas?
you know what your dream is,
Parce que
we
tu
can
connais
get
ton
you
rêve
on the way to your
et
dream.
tu sais comment y arriver.
But you must have the history of Haiti, one of the world's great histories. You must understand that, and will be tested on this, all of this.
Vous devez comprendre que l'histoire haïtienne, eh bien, c'est
Anything and everything you do, being a member of Ocean Club, which is Leader Club, also would count.
dans
There.
tout ce que vous faites, même le fait de faire partie de Ocean Club, eh bien, ça contribue à votre évolution.
This is the education of the future, and every country in the world that I know, America, Japan, China, Russia, European Union, this would turn Haiti into a superpower of basic education.
There's no one like you. If they're the few. If there's no one like you. There's no one like you. They're the few. If they are.